Hello, welcome back to MFWoodShop. Today I'm going to do the base to my kitchen table, and I'm reusing my old table legs and hardware from my old table. So this is what it looked like originally after stripping it with this 2-minute remover advance made by Sunnyside. I got it to look like this. This is also after sanding as well. And then I'm going to paint the leg with Rust-Oleum's matted hammered look. So this is what the end result will be. This is what I began with, and this is kind of the in-between stage. I got one more leg to strip and sand and paint. Well, strip and sand, and then 2 more legs to paint. So let's get started. So one would think that you could spread this stripper over the entire leg, but it actually works so fast. You don't have time to get the stuff off before it actually dries. So what I've been doing is, it's been working out pretty well. I've been doing a third, and a third roughly, and putting it on, taking it off, putting it on, taking it off, putting it on, taking it off. And that's been working out pretty good. So I'll let that sit for about 2 minutes. Come back and scrape it. Alright, it's been about 1.5 minutes or so. You can already start to see it gumming up, and that's about the right time, is at least what I found out. Use a number of things. A razor blade works pretty well. And since I'm painting this, it don't really matter. I just need to get the urethane or the top coat off. So I don't have to be too fussy and get all the stain and everything out of the grain of the wood. I just need the top coat off. You can see it really bubbling up. So I'll continue this and I'll get back to you. I'll just continue that until I'm done. Right now I've gotten everything I need to put this together and finish it up. The legs and the apron pieces, they were stripped, sanded, painted, and dried. They are ready to go on. And then I got some little feet for the bottom of the leg that I'm going to put in here in a second, and we'll be done with this project. actually kind of like the dark chairs with the... I think I would.
I don't like it with the table legs.
I like the table legs.
Yeah, I mean, dark chairs with the table.
Alright, so the table's done. I really like the way it turned out. This hickory turned out a lot better than I anticipated when I first started. And even the painted legs turned out a lot better than I anticipated when I started. So for now I'm done. I'll come back later and do the chairs. I don't know if I'll buy them or build them, but for now, kitchen table's done and my wife can shut the hell up. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to... What? She's over there nodding her head. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I'll see you next time.